Hey there, thanks for tuning in to HISD Now, your daily district update. Now we made it to the end of the week. It is Friday, September 12th. Last night was our September board meeting with a spotlight on principals. Chief of Schools Sandy Massey announced the Principal of the Year finalists for elementary, middle, and high school. These administrators have demonstrated incredible leadership at their campuses, supporting their teachers and students and cultivating strong campus cultures. Congratulations to these principals. And this week, Superintendent Mike Miles announced the Houston Promise, his bold plan to get every HISD school rated an A or B by August 2027. And you'll be hearing a lot about this right here because it's a big deal. And we know we can't do it without you, our families, and our communities. And speaking of families, the results of our parent sentiment survey are in. And most parents say their kids feel safe, are learning, and are getting ready for the future. But the survey also shows that we need to do better with communication and connection, and we're working on it. HISD Now is at Lawson Middle School. One school that's showing us what success looks like is Lawson Middle School. Today's campus close-up story is spotlighting their band teacher who's expanding the program with more classes and starting a band booster to get parents involved. That story is fresh on the channel and on Instagram and Facebook. We've also got a full Lawson playlist with all this week's stories, so just look for the Lawson Middle School playlist. And next week, our campus close-up heads to Coulter Elementary, home of the Cougars, and an A-rated school known for its foreign language magnet program. I even chatted with Principal Julie Charles on a video call that'll drop Monday morning about all the great things happening at her school. So be sure to check it out. And we'll be at Coulter all week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. In other news, Houston City Council member Sally Alcorn stopped by Milne Elementary, a campus making huge strides, going from an F to a B. We appreciate the visit and the support. Also, Deanna Harrington, District Director for State Rep Mano de Ayala, visited Askew Elementary, another campus making amazing gains. This school went from an F to a B. Big thanks for them for checking in on the amazing things happening at Askew Elementary. And this morning at Oak Forest Elementary, we caught a colorful sidewalk chalk project. September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and our students joined the Kidney Cancer Association's Chalk Your Walk campaign to spread some hope with some uplifting art. A quick reminder for families with little ones, spots are still open for our pre-K program this year. Set up your kids for success and sign up at houstonisd.org/pre-K. As always, thanks for watching today's update, and we'll see you on Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great weekend.